Storm surge is a major threat in Florida after hurricanes Ian, Helene, and Milton flooded the Gulf Coast homes. Thousands of homeowners are now working to elevate their properties. New at 7, I'm getting an exclusive inside look at this newly lifted home on Sanibel Island as thousands of others wait for the same kind of protection. You've lived on Sanibel officially how long?
5 years.
Barb Lasky has been through a lot over those 5 years.
So Ian was the first one, and then Helene and Milton.
Hurricanes have sent storm surge after surge down her street and into her house on Sanibel Island. She captured Helene's surge on camera in 2024. Just 2 years before, Hurricane Ian was even worse.
I had 4.5 feet of water inside the house.
The damage from that historic storm documented in these photos. In 2024, she decided to make a change. How long did it take you to decide, okay, we're going up?
3 weeks.
3 weeks. Why was it so quick?
Because it's a lot of work.
A lot of work preparing for hurricanes and the flooding they can bring.
The water line was very distinctly right here. I still have tape on my back doors I haven't gotten off yet because it doesn't come off easy.
Her solution? Lifting her house about 10 feet. We first visited her home in summer of 2025 as the work was in progress.
So they started May 8th. I was back in the house September 8th.
Dipping into her retirement savings to get the job done. Can you give me a ballpark of how much it ended up costing you?
Oh boy, $500,000 to $600,000. You could do it for $400,000 a house this size without a big deck off the back and without a pool cage.
And Barb's not alone. Since Hurricane Ian, at least 75 homes have been lifted like hers across Sanibel Island.
The vast majority have been people self-funding raising these homes.
Eric Jackson is the City of Sanibel's public information officer.
Recently, council approved funding through the hazard mitigation grant program for funding for 2 homes to be elevated.
That program is Elevate Florida. It's led by the Florida Division of Emergency Management and is designed to protect homes and communities by reducing damage caused by natural disasters like hurricanes and floods.
We're starting to see where those homes that had applied for that funding, it's starting to go through where they're able to start making that happen.
So take a look at the dashboard. I've pulled it up here for the island of Sanibel. 230 applications total went to the Elevate Florida program, asking to have things like structure elevation or wind mitigation. Out of all of those applications, 2 have been approved by Florida Department of Emergency Management. 2 are still under review, but look at this. 226 of those applications have been withdrawn. I reached out to Florida Department of Emergency Management to get a better understanding of what withdrawn means and why so many applications were pulled. In an email, a state spokesperson told me withdrawals include both involuntary decisions like previous federal funding or lack of response, and voluntary ones such as homeowners completing the work on their own.
I didn't want to wait in line, basically. I wanted to get it done.
Given the condition of her home after Hurricane Milton and timeline of construction, Barb tells me she didn't even apply to the Elevate program. How does it feel now to be across the finish line?
Oh, huge relief. I'm sleeping way better now.
When I was here last summer, this house was still being lifted 10 feet in the air. Now the finished product gives plenty of space for storm surge to wash right under the house.
So I'm 14 to 15 feet above the base flood level right now.
While her belongings will be high and dry in future storms, Barb's message through all of this remains the same.
Always evacuate. Don't stay. It's not worth it. And all you can do is put your stuff, up high if you can.
So I also checked the Elevate Florida dashboard for Lee County. There have been 1,900 applications for elevation, mitigation, and other programs. More than 1,700 have been withdrawn, though. So far, only 24 decisions have been reached. 121 are still under review. I'll include a link to that dashboard and answers to frequently asked questions with this story in the Gulf Coast News app.